magnetic is our human nature, drawing what we need at hand. Mirrors to the ego's hold, helping us understand.
Reactions, judgments, convictions, present as our breath. Every joining, every moment, soul versus ego's test. Embrace the harshness in the moment that history has imposed. Perhaps by self or others, change becomes a fact disclosed. We are spirit dressed in human form, connected to and through the whole. To internalize its failings, readdress its universal goal. Complicit by nature, yeah. That's how we learn and grow. Waves and particles moving through the cosmic flow.
The school of life providing traction to ascend along with others. As conduits of waves and particles, we're beyond gender, age or color. We're frequency and vibration, housed in this avatar, connected to the source within us. That's exactly what we are.
When judgment rises in your mind,
That's a mirror, that's a mirror.
it's showing you a flaw within.
Look deeper, look deeper.
We use the God energy inside us to reinforce what we stand against. Everything connected, everything affected. One recedes into toxic patterns unconsciously led. But as they reinvent, reuniting with soul's purpose, they affect the unified field, amplifying light. Karma sends a check. Sooner or later, the form may differ, the time element unclear. But everything returns to origin, to become objective about perspective. When we hold hard line against another soul, redress it mentally, recognizing their learning path we cannot know. Remove complicity from concretizing conditions that we're observing. Provide the opportunity for healing. That's the universal serving. We are spirit dressed in human form, connected to and through the whole. To internalize its failings, readdress its universal goal. Complicit by nature, yeah. That's how we learn and grow. Waves and particles moving through the cosmic flow.
You cannot insulate yourself from universal retaliation. Everything set in motion to harm will reflect back to its station. The form may be different,
Time element not obvious,
but karma keeps the books balanced. Nothing escapes from us.
we are spirit dressed in human form, connected to and through the whole. The school of life providing traction to ascend and make us whole. As conduits of waves and particles, beyond what the eye can see, we're complicit by our nature in this cosmic unity. Judgment is not discernment, it's a flaw in our own nature. We have simply drawn circumstances into our sphere of existence to allow us to see an aspect of our nature. Complicit by nature, connected through the whole.